Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I wanted to give you, I guess a little review of these headphones as I've had them now for about a month. So these are the Sony WH-1000XM3. These are Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones, and so far I have been pretty impressed with them. So just to show you the physical appearance of them here, so this is the silver gray version. It does come in black also. You have a nice padded cushion for the top here. You have the Sony logo, as well as this is a microphone on either side, and those are both in a kind of gold color. And there are no buttons on the cups at all other than for power and your noise canceling. So right here you can see we've got the power, noise canceling, and ambient sound there. And then on the other side here, all we have is the USB-C. So it does offer USB-C, which is nice. And you also have a headphone port if you want to use it wired. You do have an NFC logo here on the side. And that is, if you have a compatible device that has NFC, you can pair really easily rather than going into the Bluetooth settings and connecting that way. So that's pretty nice. So these I received Amazon Renewed. So this is the second item I purchased Amazon Renewed, and I've been pretty impressed. It is technically refurbished, but it should be like new, basically. So I have not bought things in the same category Amazon Renewed. So the first thing I bought Amazon Renewed was a vacuum cleaner, a Shark vacuum cleaner, and it looked absolutely brand new, no issues, no nothing. The only downside of buying Amazon Renewed is you get a lesser warranty. So if you buy new, you obviously get a 1-year warranty. If you buy renewed or refurbished, you usually get a 90-day warranty. So that's exactly what I got with that. So buying headphones was a little scary, but this was a great deal. Surprisingly, I got these for $90. They run $350 new, and I just checked on Amazon right now, and from the same seller, they're charging $210 for these right now for Amazon Renewed. So surprisingly, I got a great deal. So maybe they will go on sale again like that sometime, but it seems like the price of these fluctuates a lot. So what I've said in the comments of my unboxing video of this, just be on the lookout. That's all I can say. Just keep your eyes out, monitor the different pages for these. There's a couple different pages for them on Amazon. Just monitor them and look, and if you find a good deal, snap it up. I'm serious. If you see a deal on these headphones, snap it up, because you'll be very happy with them. And even if you get them on sale and you don't like them, the great thing is Amazon's so good about returns. You guys know, just return the headphones and get something else. That's all I can say. So let me show you what else came with it here. So now, before I do that, these look just like new. I'm telling you, like, the cups are brand new. Everything looks just like new. It looks like it was just out of the box. Like, there were no marks, no scratches. It looked brand new. And what else you get is this little carrying case here. And the carrying case is in the same style, so it's also this kind of gray color. And has a nice little gold zipper. And what you get in here is you do have this little pocket on the front. And when you open it up, well, I just closed it, but when you open it up here, you get your USB-C to USB-A to charge it. It's obviously a really short cord, but you can use whatever you want there. It does come with a wired cord, which I don't have in here, but and then you also get this, which this is for if you were on an airplane, you can use this with their systems that they have. So thank you to whoever told me about that, because I did not know. I do not fly that often. It also has a little diagram in here of how to put the headphones in here, as well as the touch button keys. So hopefully you can see that here. Basically, you hold down to pause, play, or answer a phone call in the center, and you swipe up for volume, swipe down for volume down, and swipe over for forward, and swipe back for reverse, kind of thing. So, and they fit in here just like this. So it is kind of a weird way to do it, but let me see if I can even get it to work. Where's the NFC part? All right, so we gotta do it like this. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. Okay. So yeah, it's just a weird way to put this in a case. But that's how it goes in the case, so it's very, very weird. So, as I've had these for a month, I will say that it was a little hard to get used to at first because the noise canceling on this is fantastic. Okay, so you will not hear anything. I mean, obviously you're gonna hear a little bit of sound come through, but it is really, really good noise canceling. So it is so good that I was just completely blown away. I was coming from these, so the Beats Studio 2s, this is what I previously used, and the noise canceling on this is nowhere near as good as this. So these are fantastic. These are on another level of noise canceling. Really, really good. The sound is really good. It's got some pretty punchy bass, and definitely if you're like, you know, these are obviously for somebody who's on an airplane, that kind of thing, you are going to have great sound and you will not hear anything. So if there's a baby crying or something, you'll not hear the baby. Another really cool feature of these, similar to the transparency mode on the AirPods Pro, this kind of has something like that. So basically when you have the headphones on and you have the noise canceling on, you can take your hand and palm over this side and you'll hear through the headphones. So it basically does the same thing that the AirPods Pro does, where it uses the microphones and you can hear through them. So it was a pretty cool feature that I've used a couple times. However, I'm still used to just like taking it off one ear just to hear what somebody's saying. The other cool thing here is, so obviously you got the noise canceling ambient button. You can hit that a couple times and go through the different settings of the noise canceling. And you can also, if you have it with your voice assistant on your phone, you can just hold down and it will access the voice assistant there. Now, when you turn on the power, you do have a person that talks, basically says power on, and then it'll tell you the Bluetooth is connected. And then if you want to find out your battery level, you just hit this button again and it will tell you the approximate level that's left on the battery, which is pretty nice. The only thing I do not like is that when charging, you just have this little tiny LED here, and all it does is turn red and turns off when it's done. The thing I liked about the Beats was on the Beats here, you can see when I turn them on, you have a little battery level indicator right there. So it has 5 little LEDs and it will tell you basically the battery level right there. And it's really, really okay. And just wanted to show you how these look on me. So they're really light and they really do a good job of covering your ears. So even without them on, I barely can hear anything. So the seal on these is really, really good. And they're not too big. They don't look obnoxious. They look pretty stylish. I need a haircut, so ignore that. But aside from that, they're great. Another thing too is, coming from someone wearing glasses, you don't have them squeezing against your face like some other headphones. So I have worn over-ear headphones before where I have glasses on and they squeeze my glasses against my head, and that drives me absolutely nuts. So in comparison, here's how the Beats looked. They look a lot bigger than the others, but yeah, so that's just to give you an idea how they look. All right, so now I just want to give you some pros and cons, just to close this out here. So pro, I think Amazon Renewed is pretty great. So far I've been pretty satisfied with it. Again, you're losing the warranty, the longevity of the warranty. So you're not gonna have a 1-year warranty, you'll have a 90-day warranty, but it looks just like new. And as people have said in the reviews, they are just like new. And they sound as good as new, so no issue there. Another thing here, so I bought this phone here and I'm gonna be reviewing this pretty soon, but this is also an Amazon Renewed phone and it looks just like new. So I would definitely look into Amazon Renewed if you're considering anything refurbished. I know some people are really wary about that, and I understand, but definitely look into it if you want to get a decent price on it. The sound quality is fantastic. The noise canceling is great. And they're light and the battery is pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with them overall. Cons. When I first got them, if you are not used to noise canceling headphones of this caliber, it may give you a little bit of a headache. So the noise canceling that they kind of use is basically using a kind of an alternate frequency to cancel out the noise. So for me, I got a headache for a little while when I first got them, and that was a little bit disconcerting, but after a while you do get used to it, and it is fantastic. Another con with these is the touch buttons. I hate that. And they're really not very good. So like I said, and you hold to play and pause, you swipe up to do volume, swipe down to do your volume down, and back and forth for reverse and fast forward, and it is just not very good. It's finicky and it's not very good. I don't like to use it. I prefer the touch buttons of like the Beats right here. So this has nice physical keys, and you're not having to worry about whether you're touching the wrong part of the cup, and you have to swipe instead of it being just capacitive, maybe like capacitive keys, something like that. But it's just bad. I don't like that. Anyway, other than that, I've been really happy with these. So overall, I'm pretty happy. And like I said, I know I got these for really cheap price, but keep your eyes out for good prices on some of this stuff, because you never know. I got very lucky. I'm not gonna say I didn't get lucky. I got super lucky with these. So if you see them for a good price, snatch them up, and check out Amazon Renewed. Seriously, I'm very happy with this. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this little video. This has just been a review after a month. So after a month, I'm very happy with these, and I'm very, very good headphones. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this quick video, and if you did like it, if you hit the like button, if you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.